everybody, hola and welcome to another showcase video. And today we have, is it showcase? I'm sorry. Welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the sort of highlights from Case H 2022. Yes it is. Look at that. Yup. So we're going to start with new casting of the BMW R NineT Racer motorbike retro racers. Look at that. That is awesome. Kasiloose. And here it is. It's been a while we've done the unboxing Case H, and yeah, I'm a little bit back out. Only now we can do the kasiloose of the H case, but this is the BMW R NineT Racer. Look at the beautiful color. The BMW got the headlights. That is awesome. White with a black seat there. Yup, for those who like the motorbikes, this is it. Awesome. So there's no stand, of course, so just doing like that. Next, we're going for the 2020 Jaguar F-Type, the black, which is the super treasure for the Case H, but obviously this is the regular one. And as you can see from my unboxing, the case is terrible in terms of packaging. Look at that. So good candidate for kasiloose. There you go. BMW 2020 Jaguar F-Type black, simple black, nice grille there, nice wheels with the headlights, tail lights, awesome. Yup, beautiful, nice, solid black, metallic black, solid black, very so aggressive. Yup. Next one, we're going for the Back to the Future time machine from the HW Screen Time, which is awesome. Look at that, beautiful kasiloose. There you go. Got the wires at the side there. You got the sort of like the headlights are not tempered, but you can see the GMC there. Beautiful. We got the tail lights, which is awesome. Nice. You can see from the base 2021. So that means it has been retooled on this casting. You guys can comment down below what is exactly the retool part. Maybe this part here, usually part of the interior, has been done part of the body. That, look at the detail there. Yes it is. That's awesome. Yep, see that as the base 2021. Definitely a retool of the existing mold. Yep, Back to the Future time machine. Next, we're moving on to the new casting, the Audi RS E-Tron GT in a grey. Look at that. That is beautiful. HW green, speed, electric car, kasiloose. There you go. That nice color on this. The Audi got the front E-Tron GT, the Audi badge, the headlights, the tail lights also E-Tron GT. Wow. It's a new casting 2021. Yup. At the base there. Beautiful, nice, loving it. Yes it is. That's the Audi RS E-Tron GT. Next, we're going for the recolor of the McLaren F1 GTR. Love, love, love this casting. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Love the wheels there. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Now in sort of a grey or silver. Nothing on the tail lights, of course. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Much to say about it. Just an awesome casting. Yep. Next, we're going for the Hot Wheels Racing liveries Shelby Cobra 427 SC Retro Racers. Yep. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Loving it. Yes, it is. Got a good ear at the front there. At the hood. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels Racing liveries. That is cool. That is awesome. Yup. White base. Couldn't see much on the base there. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Nice. Shelby. That's the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Next one, we're going for the DiMachinni Veloce. Yup, I didn't get this in the H case, got it in the J case, but since it appeared first in the H case, I'm going to open it up. DiMachinni Veloce, look at that. New casting, fantasy casting, but that is cool as heck. Kasiloose. There you go. DiMachinni Veloce, Dima, Firestone, Castrol, some graphics. Wow. So I guess think what this guy's based on. You guys can comment down below. Got the plastic tail light section there, made of plastic. You got the mud brake, what is it called this? Mud guard. Is it called a mud guard here? The flap here. Nice, beautiful. Actually, yep. Awesome racing type car. Beautiful. DiMachinni Veloce. And we've come to the last three for HK's highlights. Starting with this guy here. Bad card. Look at that. Bad packaging there. Candidate for a Kasiloose. The 95 Jeep Cherokee. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Beautiful green. So this is a new casting, right? 2021. Yup. 95 Jeep Cherokee. Awesome. The top part here is part of the windscreen piece. Clear plastic, I think. Yes. Wow. Beautiful green. Got some Hot Wheels there. Good ear. 4x4. Nothing on the tail lights, but the detail itself is amazing. Wow, we got the spare tires, the oil can there. That is cool. Got the tail lights actually. Yes, it is. Awesome. Loving this. Yes, it is. Loving this. 95 Jeep Cherokee. 47 Chevy Fleetline Moon Eyes. Ooh, that is beautiful. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Moon Eyes. Good ear. Moon Eyes on the hood there. Wow. Let's check on the base. 2021. Is this a new casting or retooled? Maybe it's a retool. You guys can comment down below. But this looks awesome in the yellow Moon Eyes livery. Wow. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Nice. Small wheels actually. Yep. Awesome. 47 Chevy Fleetline. And last one, Mud Studs Range Rover Classic. First appeared in 2021, the last year. Yup, kasiloose. There you go, Land Rover Expedition Hot Wheels 1552. BF Goodrich. Oh, beautiful green, sort of like a mint green. Got a tail lights, look at that. Mud Studs Range Rover. That is awesome. Wow, wow, wow. Yup. There you go. So what you guys think? H case. It's not that bad actually. Yup, but those who like the JDMs and everything, not a good case for you guys. But look at that. The variety itself, awesome. But definitely the J case is the bomb. H case, not so bad. If you subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want. Comment down below definitely and give a thumbs up. Going to talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.